Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video, I will talk about how to activate your UnitedHealthcare UCard. This is the simple guide and covers every steps how to activate the UCard, so let's follow this guide. Let's start. You can activate it online. You need to visit UCard Hub or go to the website listed on the card, sign in or create UnitedHealthcare member account, look for option to activate your UCard and follow the instructions. Also, you can activate it by phone. For that, you need to call the toll-free number on the back of your UCard, follow the automated instructions or speak with a representative. Have your UCard number and personal information ready for verification. And the last method is activate it via healthcare mobile app. So just download the United Healthcare app from App Store or Google Play Store, depends on your system. Log into your account and follow the prompts to activate your UCard. So these are the methods how to activate your card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.